Joining us today is Dr. Bill Cole, who is a specialist in physiatry, as well as interventional pain management, as well as regenerative medicine. Dr. Bill Cole, hello, how are you today?
I'm fantastic, AJ. Thank you. Thank you for the opportunity.
You're very welcome. Dr. Bill Cole has been very innovative, and he's going to show you guys, show the audience out there, how to make a mask by simple household goods. Go ahead, Bill, please show us.
This is Dr. William Cole. I'm with the OrthoMed Group, and I know that people are frustrated with what's going on. They're worried about the N95 mask, and they have to realize that not everybody's going to have that N95 available, and we shouldn't have to wait till we get them shipped from China to be able to get what we need. Just because we don't have an N95 doesn't mean we have to, do without. It's like if you don't have the perfect coat that's North Face, you don't go outside naked. Don't do that. So I'm going to show you today how to make an Insto-mask. Insto-masks are great. They're very easy. So most masks people have similar to this, so the N95s, pinches over the nose, goes over the ears, right? And this is just one type. Now, if this isn't available, that's okay. We can make our own. We don't need anybody to do this. While we're sitting on our butt at home, let's be creative. Let's make this happen. So we can make it out of simple, if we need an Insta-mask, from just a paper towel with a few rubber bands, okay? We can also make it from our favorite sheet that we we're just going to sacrifice the pillowcase. Don't worry, ladies, just the pillowcase. The Egyptian cotton ones are the best. Those are the 800 thread count. And this way, by the way, where am I going to get the elastic? You know that nice stationery you have? Look at that. Nice little elastic bands. So we can find them everywhere, or we use our rubber bands. So we need simple items: stapler, rubber bands, okay? Start with a paper towel, and I'm going to point this downward toward my table. And I'll show you how I do this. It's so easy. A simple 5-fold paper towel, right? We take it and we just fold. It's about 6 by 12 inches, and we fold it half, just a half an inch, half an inch, half an inch, right? Half an inch, half an inch, and there. Folded, we take our rubber band, we wrap it around the end, like this, fold, staple. Watch your fingers, bada bing, fold. Here we go, put it around the end, staple. And what you have now is an Insto mask. This mask you can take anywhere, you can make anywhere. Look at that. Insta mask right over your ears.
That's amazing.
That's fantastic, isn't it? So this, if you want to make it a little thicker, double it. This happens to be doubled with the paper towel, because if you want to use one that's a little thicker, this one happens to be a double thickness, which is good, right? So that's one way to do it. And this is just your emergency mask. Take it with you wherever you go. It goes in your billfold or your pocket in the purse, okay? Easy peasy, right? So, second, let's get a little more a durable one that we can reuse, we can wash. We want to be able to make this something that we can use all the time and not have to do this over and over. So like I said, those Egyptian cotton 800 thread count sheets, or whatever you happen to have, sacrifice the pillowcase. Cut a nice piece out of it, and it's going to be approximately 6 by 12 inches. See the cut? Just 6 by 12 inches, right?
Yes.
And then you take, and again, I will show you. It's the easiest thing in the world. You fold it. So if this is just folded, 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 right? I put my little clips on to hold the ends. I put my clips on just to hold it, hold the material. I've tied these into a knot, right? These are just those nice little stretchy, stationary type things. Now, I don't have the time to sew, so I'm not going to worry about sewing it, because I can do it just as easy when I go to staple it. So I'm going to staple this particular one here, and I'm going to staple this particular one on this side. So it's the easiest thing in the world. By the way, don't rip up your wife's sheets, her regular sheets. She won't like you for that. You can buy some really inexpensive. Go to Walmart, go to Big Lot, order it online, Amazon. You don't have to sacrifice those really good ones that you have. Plus, you don't want to go outside empty-handed. You must have something on. Now, you need to realize that this virus is incredibly contagious, and you have to wear something. So when you look at what we've done, in a matter of seconds, literally 30 seconds, we now have a very viable Insto mask that you can wear anywhere. How about that? And you can wear it anywhere.
That's extremely innovative.
Right? Now I'm going to give you one more tip that's really important.
Sure.
You can put in the end here one of the little twisters that they have for the bread. You make it flat and you sew it right in the end before you fold it over. Guess what? Then it folds over your nose. So simple, right? This is so simple. You put it right over there. Okay? One last thing that I'll show you is when you go to do things, it's so important that you help each other and help each other out by making additional ones. All right? So make some extra ones. They're very easy to do. All right? Make sure you wash your hands. Make sure you help each other in doing that. Remind everybody, this particular virus is so virulent. It's the most virulent. We've never been exposed to it before, and it's airborne. So you wouldn't walk into an Ebola outbreak without anything on it. You wouldn't do that. So make sure you bring your Insto mask or your regular mask. Additionally, sending them home with this virus, I'm not sure is the greatest idea. So protect yourself and your family. And this is easy to do. We love helping people. We love changing lives. Please do this for you, for your family, so you don't get it or give it. And get your Insto mask. One last one. Watch this.
Sure.
I'm a doctor. I don't have masks anymore. What do I do? Now, see this? I want you to watch what I do. This is the hat that we normally use, right? So what you do is you take your hat, you sacrifice your hat, and you simply cut it right along the white thin part. You fold it over itself, right like this, and guess what? Bada bing, I have an Insto mask. Believe it or not, right there. And this is in the N90 range if it's put on properly. Insto mask, just like that. How about that?
That's
so that
great.
will take care of it right away, right then and there.
That is so there is really no excuse for people out there saying that I don't have a mask, I can't get a mask, the masks are sold out. You can just go ahead.
It's so frustrating because we can't wait to get sick or for our loved ones to get sick, and we can't wait for China to take care of us. We need to be self-reliant. We need to depend on Americans for what we need. So everybody get off your butt. Please send this to everybody you know, the Instamask by Dr. Cole. It's so easy, and anybody can do it. You can learn how to sew with grandma or online, but please don't use any excuses everywhere you go. If we use these masks from the very beginning, 75% of this would not have occurred.
Of course.
So if you use it now, you can open up businesses. If you have your Instamasks, you can open up your business. Have everybody that works there, everybody that's the patron, they all have a mask. And guess what? Cover your hands, gloves, mask. You have to cover your eyes too, don't forget. And if you have high exposure to someone, cover your hair. Don't forget. You have to cover your hair and wash your clothes because it can get into your hair, long sleeves, wear your gloves, don't wear your shoes in the house. Those are all the things that you really need to do to make and keep the other people safe too. So don't wait, please. Send this to everybody you know. And listen, I'm Dr. Cole. I love helping people. The American Academy of Stem Cell Physicians is committed to changing the way medicine is done and bringing us to the future of medicine. Future of medicine is keeping healthy and happy without the drugs or surgery.
Thank you so much for joining us today. Again, Dr. Cole's website is nopain.com. That spells K-N-O-W, pain, P-A-I-N.com. Thank you for being so innovative. Thank you, Dr. Cole.
Thank you very much. Love to help. Take care.
Love to have you again. Thank you.